Hi everyone, Bob Mehsikomer here, and welcome to my office. Yes, that's what we came here for, right there. On the Timber Tiger, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, big guy.
Shaky.
Oh, you get her. Good job.
That's a nice fish.
Yep, nothing wrong with that barrel, huh? Can you see her? Good job. Hi everybody, Bob Mehsikomer. Welcome to today's show. Hey, in the back with me, back of the boat with me, Paul Bobel. And we're at Cedar Lake Lodge in Ontario, where we're going to be chasing smallmouth today. Crankbaits, jig and grubs, and topwater coming this way from Cedar Lake Lodge. Don't go anywhere. We got some giant smallmouth coming from you. If Paulie keeps it up, we'll have 2 or 3 in the boat. Good job, Paulie.
Thank you.
Oh, look at that. Oh, big fish. Big fish.
This side over here?
That is a 50 fish. Folks, you're seeing it right now. My 100th just came in the net at Witch Bay Camp. Holy smokes, Rocky. She ate that thing.
Introducing the Hit Squad from 18 Tackle, featuring a full line of revolutionary new blade baits. The Aggressor X with its incredible vortex, Avenger X featuring .061 wire and dual vortex blades, and the all-new revolutionary Assassin X. Hit 'em where it hurts with blade baits from 18 Tackle, a revolutionary new concept in spinnerbaits and bucktails. Visit us at www.18tackle.com today and see the entire line. Order yours today and join the A-Team. Simply call 1-800-222-8775.
Bring her back. Oh, hold tight, hold tight. Hi everyone, Bob Mehsikomer here. You know, I've got a place, a very, very special place in my heart. It's Osborne Bay.
Food's been excellent. Randy did a great job guiding service.
Randy started taking us out when I was 10, and we've been catching big muskies ever since.
The accommodations here are fantastic.
Check out Century Lodge on Osborne Bay. Come on, bring her back. In the world of early season smallmouth, delivery is everything. Considering past experiences with these sometime reluctant fish, I have come to realize going slow and being on top can make all the difference. For that reason, Paul and I have gone to Strike King Spittin' Kings to cover those small, isolated submerged boulder areas in hopes of filling the boat with Cedar Lake smallies. For your next experience on Cedar Lake or wherever you choose to chase smallies, take the time to consider Strike King Spittin' King. See the entire line at www.strikeking.com. Around the buoy, stay out of the buoy. Thank you. These are fun fish. Lots of them out here, but it's dead quiet. We're just probing our way around. We've got a big muskie that's swimming around behind us here someplace. But these are nice fish just to have fun with. Oh, missed that one. No, one hook set, keep your rod low, off to the side, keep it low, keep your fish coming. You only need one hook set on a fish. Good fish.
Easy.
All right, you'll get her.
Oh, just stop.
There you go.
Now that one's out of the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't need to be caught today. Stay away from the muskies.
Yeah, exactly. When you're bass fishing, and furthermore for just about any fish, you only need to set the hook one time. Lock up on the fish, and then get your rod tip down, not up here, but down. You'll boat a lot more fish. See that island out here, Paulie?
Yes.
From that island back to this one, there's a spine that's running all the way beneath the lake here. It's deep on both ends of it, so it's not connected to either one of those islands, but there's an absolute defined spine right in here, and this is what the rock that we're seeing. We can see the tops of it. That's the rock we're seeing making this whole structure work for us.
A lot of boulders in here also.
It's all boulders, yeah. You can see the when it got calm here, you can see the real big defined rock. Whaleback type rock. Five feet. I know this reef goes out this direction, so I'll turn us a little bit here. That little breeze came up and went away. That's definitely hard Canadian shield rock right there, just solid granite. If you see any little boulder piles that are piled on top of it, I think I'd be interested to put a bait there too. Nice fish. Nothing wrong with these. We'll take these all day long. Nothing wrong with that fish at all. This one's got a nice belly on it.
It looks a little...
Caught so many smallies on this spitting king that the hooks are actually dull. They won't even stick me. Yes, sir, baby. See, we're right on top of this. See this rock right here?
Yep.
We're right on top. I'm going to back us off a little bit. Normally out here, I would take a stick bait or a crank bait, something like the red eye or a timber tiger, and comb these rocks. But we've done that. We've done it day after day, and they're just not responding to it. So we finally had the lake went flat. We took out our chuggers, Strike King, Spitting Kings, and just decided to work some of this stuff. And these fish are here. And what's wrong with the whole thing is they've been here the whole time. Kind of excited to wear these glasses for musky fishing because I've always worn a heavy glass. And since these are X-polars, they're featherweight, just super light, and I can see as well as I ever did with my glass. Oh, got one underneath it. Oh, there he is. Oh, look at him, 4 or 5 of them. Did you see that? I watched the whole school come up there. Look at them. Look at them. Oh, I watched the whole school. There's a whole school of them here. Look at, there's one here. You throw a topwater right here, you get bit.
Yeah.
I stopped that. And I was watching them, and I watched 4 or 5 fish come up at my topwater at one time. There it is. Told you, didn't I?
Yeah.
Oh, busted it big time out there. Yes. We called up a nice school of fish. Good job, Polly. Here's another one. There's nothing wrong with these. Oh, another one following it, 2 or 3 of them. These are nice fish. Ouch.
Self-release, huh?
These are pretty nice fish. Unbelievable. Let's see if we can get a few of them out here. Yeah, I watched that first one come up. I had it stop there. And I watched 4 or 5 of them just come right up underneath it. And that is where a good pair of sunglasses comes in big time.
Hi, I'm Bill Foner.
And we're Mike and Evan Mehsikomer.
And I'm Bob Mehsikomer with Landon. We're Simply Fishing Extreme Marine.
We will do more than simply keep you afloat.
We are performance fishermen selling and servicing.
The fishermen who demand performance. Where are we? Simply Fishing Extreme Marine.
Hey fishermen, come see us at Simply Fishing Extreme Marine. Perfect.
Introducing the Hit Squad from 18 Tackle, featuring a full line of revolutionary new blade baits. The Aggressor X with its incredible vortex, Avenger X featuring .061 wire and dual vortex blades, and the all-new revolutionary Assassin X. Hit 'em where it hurts with blade baits from 18 Tackle, a revolutionary new concept in spinnerbaits and bucktails. Visit us at www.18tackle.com today and see the entire line. Order yours today and join the A-Team. Simply call 1-800-222-8775.
Bob Mehsikomer here for Klein Nissan. Whether you're headed to the backcountry in search of your favorite fishing hole or cruising down the back roads taking in the scenery along the way, you can always depend on your Klein Nissan. Elegance and dependability don't stop because the blacktop does. Take your pride and joy to the water in a Klein Nissan. Give them a call at 651-379-4300 or visit them at kleinnissan.com.
Eat it. Come on, eat it. Eat it.
Yeah!
Whoa! I can't swim!
Be careful what you ask for. Pose, the original giant jackpot.
During the changing weather patterns, early season smallies will have a tendency to hunker down. During those periods, anglers should consider probing the details of their chosen structure more closely, paying attention to areas such as cracks in the rocks, and doing it slowly with a combination such as a jig and munchie grub from Lindy. Over the years, the Lindy Munchie has become a must-have lure in my smallie pursuit. Check out www.lindyfishingtackle.com to review the Munchie and other fine Lindy products.
Well, the wind's really picking up.
Yeah, this weather is just all over the place.
Oh yeah.
You could get some big walleye off of here too.
Well, decent, well.
Nice smallmouth.
Yeah.
Good deal. That's the ones we're looking for right there. And talk about the wind kicking up, huh?
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice fish.
We're going to come back on these spots at night. Because both of these spots are holding bigger smallmouth.
Yeah.
And smallies enjoy low light. They do well in it. There's enough wind on this to possibly throw spinnerbaits on this. There's one. Better fish. I don't think it's as big as the one I lost though. Yes.
That's a little bit bigger.
Yeah, this is getting closer. And the one I lost was bigger than this. It's easy to say, but I saw the fish go broadside. See, we're boats in 21 foot of water right now, 22 foot already, just drifting a couple of feet. You can have hundreds of smallmouth come up and down vertically on these kind of structures. But I started to say, if they're right up on top, we can take some with spinner baits. In this wind with this chop. That bait's got to be close. If it comes off that rock just more than about 3-4 feet, it's going to be too deep. Even where we're landing there, we're landing in 5 foot of water. Yeah, in there. It's one thing about bass fishing, well, musky fishing too for that matter. There's certain rods that work better and certain rods that don't. When you look at a selection of a rod manufacturer's rods and they have 30, 40, 50 different actions, there's a reason for it. Every rod will serve a purpose.
Yep.
Get her?
Yep.
You did. Stay with her.
Hit light.
Yeah, they really are hitting light. Stay with her. That first one, yeah, nice fish.
Yeah.
And we found some good fish here. Out of that windy point, the windy edge of it.
Oh, come here.
Hit real light though, huh?
Yeah, I mean like non-existent.
Yeah.
That's getting better.
Nothing wrong with that fish. We'll load the boat with those.
It's like they take it, then they don't move.
Oh yeah, I know it. There's one. Good, we might have some, I got a little one. We might have something going here. We're out on this windy front of this reef. This is a little guy, but where you got little ones, you should have some big ones. Boat slides so bad when I take my foot off the motor.
It's that dark spot right in between, right in
Yeah,
front.
you can choose and pick and, there we go, pick and choose the dark spots. Another little one, you got one too?
Yep.
I got it, mine's gone. Keep her coming.
Oh,
You got
yeah.
a good one. Yes. And right, you were right in that dark spot.
Yep. Oh yeah, there we go. Come on, baby.
Very nice. Very nice.
Get out of there.
Nothing wrong with that. Whoa, careful, careful, careful. Okay, lip the fish. Don't grab the line.
Fine.
Because you will break it 99% of the time, especially with 6-pound and 8-pound line. Don't try to lift those fish with that line because that line is way, way, way too light for that. That's a nice fish.
Yeah.
That's about kind of the lost right there, that first fish. Was that on the lighter colored jig?
Yep.
They both seem to be working.
Try and find those dark spots in between the rocks.
Yeah, makes a difference, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Yes, it does.
Yes, it does. Oh, good job. Good job. Very nice. Yeah, go down now. You got to get her lower jaw.
Come here.
There you
we go.
Superb.
Yep. That one, just as soon as that thing dropped, hit it.
We're going to go around the end of this and go back up the other side.
Oh.
See, oh, they're chasing on top.
Yeah.
See, that's where your spinner baits come in handy. Wind like this, they'll come up on top of this stuff and get relatively active. And a spinner bait going through there is sometimes just all it takes. But we got them going on grubs, so.
Well, you know, Bob, you can't always select the fish you want to catch.
That may be true, Jody, but you can select the lake in which you fish them.
Yes, you can.
Got that one.
All right.
Got that one.
All right.
Bob Mehsikomer here for Klein Nissan. Whether you're headed to the backcountry in search of your favorite fishing hole or cruising down the back roads taking in the scenery along the way, you can always depend on your Klein Nissan. Elegance and dependability don't stop because the blacktop does. Take your pride and joy to the water in a Klein Nissan. Give them a call at 651-379-4300 or visit them at kleinnissan.com. There, on your left, you can almost see it. One of the most magnificent sights on the planet, Lake Athabasca nestled just below the 60th parallel. Lake Athabasca hasn't changed in nearly 1,000 years with its pristine shorelines, pure crystal clear water you can actually drink, and countless fish. Boy, has she got fish that is for everyone willing to travel to Otherside River Lodge. From the magnificent world-class northern pike that prowl these waters to the oldest and biggest lakers on the globe, Athabasca has it all. Otherside River Lodge caters to the true sportsman seeking an all-American plan guided package with 3 incredible meals a day and memories you won't find anywhere else. Records have been broken by guests at Otherside River Lodge in the past. You could be next. Book your dream trip of a lifetime to Otherside River Lodge, where fishing dreams do come true. Call Cliff or Stella toll-free at 1-877-922-0957. Gets pretty deep off this side. There we go. Back to working it super slow again though. Ooh, she's ornery. Ornery cuss. Not a bad fish though. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Al, Kim, and everyone at Cedar Lake Lodge for making this trip possible. I'd like to thank Paul Bobel for being my guest this week and you for tuning in. We at Simply Fishing are well aware of the choices you have regarding your television entertainment and are excited about the fact that you chose to share this time with us. The next time you want a lake just loaded with smallies, walleye, and muskie, be sure to contact Cedar Lake Lodge. And remember to practice CPR, catch, photo, and release. The future of fishing depends on it. Thanks again.